Long Island Cedar Restoration. If you're looking for professional cedar restoration services in Long Island, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. Long Island homes deserve the best cedar care. Benny's Property Services delivers expert restoration, understanding local weather's impact. Count on satisfied neighbors who trust us to revive and preserve their cedar siding. We offer free estimates. Happy clients across Long Island know the difference quality cedar restoration makes. We prioritize your home's beauty and value. No matter the project size, your satisfaction is our top priority. From the North Shore to the South Fork, a revitalized home is within reach. We bring our cedar expertise directly to you, providing convenient on-site evaluations and flexible scheduling options throughout Long Island. Craftsmanship defines our cedar restoration. We avoid high-pressure cleaning that harms soft cedar, preventing gouges and furring. Our team uses specialized techniques to gently restore your wood's natural beauty. Superior results require superior products. Our process utilizes a soft wash with an oxidizing cleaner, but without chlorine bleach, to lift mold, mildew, and grime while safeguarding the wood's longevity. Every detail matters in preserving your cedar. After cleaning, the wood is brightened, restoring its vibrant color, and the pH is balanced to ensure optimal adhesion for stains and sealers. Safety is paramount in every project. Our insured team follows strict protocols to protect your property and our crew. We handle every job with the utmost care and responsibility, giving you peace of mind. Efficiency is key to minimizing disruption. Our streamlined process ensures a thorough cleaning and restoration without unnecessary delays. We work diligently to deliver stunning results in a timely manner. A complete solution for lasting beauty. Final sealing or staining with natural oil or tinted products adds essential UV protection, water repellency, and mold resistance. Future maintenance will be a breeze. Every project is unique, but customers who understand how cedar restoration experts operate in Long Island, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right cedar restoration specialist in Long Island, New York, bennyspropertyservices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more.